I have a dream that my for little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. The arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends toward justice. Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend.